Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tupo. If you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe, like, comment, give me a thumbs up, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to achieve small knotless box braids. Very easy, very beginner friendly. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, please continue watching. Alright guys, the things that you're going to need are a rattle comb, some shine and gum, okay, a hair clip, and some braiding hair. So we're going to be using expression hair. This is in color number 1, and I'm going to be using one of the packs for this tutorial. Okay, so I'm going to be sectioning out little pieces like this, about 5 of them. For each braid, I'm going to be using 5 strands. Take my rattle comb, section out my hair into a straight line, exactly the way I'm doing. And then once I section out, I'm going to take my shine and gum and then clean that line out. And then once I clean it out, I'm going to start sectioning into boxes, okay? Taking my shine and gum, making sure I clean the line. And then I'm going to secure the rest of the hair out of the way using my hair clip. Exactly the way I'm doing. Very easy, very beginner friendly. Anybody, I'm telling you, can actually do this. So I'm going to take a little bit more of the shine and gum, apply it to that little box. And then I'm going to section the hair into 3, like I'm about to do a traditional box braid. So 1, 2, 3 pieces, okay, together. And then I'm going to start braiding the hair down. So I'm just going to start like braiding my natural hair, okay, braiding downwards, exactly the way I'm doing. And then I'm going to braid once, okay. Then I'm going to make sure I'm holding my hair with my thumb and my index finger. I'm going to take the braiding hair, place it in between my thumb and my index finger, and then braid it down. Very, very easy, guys. Very beginner friendly. Anybody can actually do this. So I'm going to show you guys again. Take the braiding hair, place it in between my thumb and my index finger, and then braid it down. So that way my thumb and my index finger are nice and steady. I'm holding my natural hair as well as the braiding hair together, and then I'm going to start braiding the hair down. All right, guys, so I'm going to be adding the hair about 5 times, and then I'm just going to braid it all the way down, guys, okay? So if you want your hair longer, you can add hair as you go along. That way it does get longer, but this hair is 42 inches, and I just didn't want it to be too long. So if you're doing this on your aunt, on your sister, on your cousin, on your mama, this is going to be waist length, okay? So if you add about 5 pieces together, it's going to go all the way down to their waist. And this is so easy because this is less tension to the hair, less time to do braids. This is actually really, really cute. It comes all the way through every single time. All right, so once I get to the end of the braid, I'm just gonna take a little piece from the braiding hair and then tie this into a knot. That way I do not have to work twice. That way it does not unravel. That way once I'm done, sis, it is over with, okay? Taking my shine and gum, making sure I clean the line. And then I'm going to secure the rest of the hair out of the way using my hair clip. Exactly the way I'm doing. So I'm going to take a little bit more of the shine and gum, apply it to that little box. And then I'm going to section the hair into 3, like I'm about to do a traditional box braid. So 1, 2, 3 pieces, okay? I'm just gonna braid it 1, 2, 3, exactly the way I'm doing. And I'm holding my natural hair, you know, with my index finger and my thumb on my left hand. I'm going to be using my right hand to add the hair. For you to have uniform braids, just make sure you are adding the same amount of hair on each braid. I'm adding about 5 pieces, 5 strands on each braid. That way I have uniform braids. That way the braids look exactly the same way. That's the secret to having really nice uniform braids, is adding the same amount of hair on each braid, sis, okay? But while I'm still talking, sis, have you subscribed to my channel? Don't forget to turn on your notification button so you do not miss out on any uploads, because this channel is getting what? Juicy! Yes! Today's shout out goes to each and every one of my subscribers. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for all the love. Thank you so much for sticking around, for showing me some love. I really appreciate each and every one of you. You guys already know you're the real MVPs. I am nothing without y'all. I cannot believe we are here today. Let's get to 1 million subscribers. Make sure you're sharing these videos with your cousins, your besties, your mamas, and your aunts, because sharing is caring. You don't want to be the only one who knows how to braid, sis. You want your sister and your mamas to know how to do it too, right? So make sure you're sharing these videos. Make sure you're subscribing. Make sure you're hitting that notification bell as well so you do not miss out on any of my uploads, sister. I'm going to section the hair into 3, like I'm about to do a traditional box braid. So 1, 2, 3 pieces. So I'm just gonna start like braiding my natural hair, okay? Braiding downwards, exactly the way I'm doing. I'm going to take the braiding hair, place it in between my thumb and my index finger, and then braid it down. Very easy, guys, very beginner friendly. Anybody can actually do this. So I'm going to show you guys again. Take the braiding hair, place it in between my thumb and my index finger, and then braid it down. So that way my thumb and my index finger are nice and steady. I'm holding my natural hair as well as the braiding hair together. That white stuff is just the shine and jump. It is going to go away, okay? Don't worry about it. On each box, I'm adding 5 strands. That way the hair is nice and uniform. That way the braids look really nice and neat. That way, you know, you are out here looking like a whole lot of money, okay? If you have never tried the knotless braids, you better try this one right here, because this is going to come all the way through. Trust me. Let me know if you guys love the on top adding, or it's easier for you guys to add it downwards. I mean, this one right here, I feel like a lot of people who have trouble adding hair, this technique right here works every single time. Let me know if you guys have ever tried this technique. Let me know if you guys think this technique is going to work for you guys, okay? Comment down below if you are going to try this technique, or if you have tried this technique and how it came all the way through, okay? Once you get to the end of the braid, you're just gonna take a little piece of the hair from the braiding hair, right? And then tie into a knot. That way it does not unravel. That way it is nice and tight, sis. Okay. All right, guys. So once you're done braiding, you're just going to take your mousse and make sure everything is nice and laid and situated, okay? I'm just going to take my mousse and apply it to the braid. I'm taking this time to thank each and every one of my subscribers for all the love that you have shown on my channel, for sharing my videos, for watching my videos, for all the love. I cannot even put it into words how thankful and grateful I am, okay? So I'm just gonna take my scissors and cut all the flyaways, you know, and just make sure the braids are really nice and clean. All right, so we're not gonna miss the steps. We're gonna do everything. So I'm just gonna take my hot water, you know, make sure you dip the ends into hot water. That way they are nice and sealed, honey. Alright guys, and that's how you do this knotless box braids. I love this technique because it works every single time for me. Make sure you let me know in the comments below if you have tried this technique before, if it came all the way through or whatever. Let me know in the comments below if you think this technique is easier than some techniques. They're looking really nice and cute. I am loving them. I hope you guys are loving these braids. But thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for all the love. I cannot believe we are here right now. Let's get to 1 million subscribers, because baby, at this point it is up from here. But make sure you're sharing these videos with your cousins, your besties, your mamas, and your aunts, because sharing is caring. And I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.